माननीय कनक मेहला रविंद्र कुमार जी, आपकी बात ही रिकॉर्ड पे जाएगी, कोई और बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जाएगी, प्लीज।
Sir, I am very thankful to you for giving me this opportunity to speak on two important bills which intends to the medical technology of surrogacy and which is one of the important assisted reproductive technology. First, I will speak on assisted reproductive regulation bill 2021. The select committee of Rajya Sabha, which dealt with the surrogacy regulation bill 2020, was of the view that the surrogacy bill should come into force only after the enactment of ART bill. Honorable Chairman, sir, the words like fertility center, IVF center are never heard in our Indian society. But later, gradually and slowly, these things have become very part and parcel of our society. There were mushrooming artificial reproduction centers across the country. The ICMR drafted the national guidelines for accreditation, supervision and regulation of ART clinics in India 2005 as the first ever national guidelines for laying down standards of conduct for surrogacy in India. Due to non-existence of proper legislation in order to control and rein them, there were adverse reports in the media as well as unnecessary litigations filed in court of law. The Law Commission of India took cognizance of this issue. It made recommendations and suggestions to the government on this issue. We are deliberating on two important bills. The bill speaks about assisted reproductive technology, assisted reproductive technology clinic, commissioning couple, women, national board, state board, and other related issues in this regard. Certainly, the instant legislation is a bold step in an attempt to recognize and adopt the changing social milieu. Finally, the bill would bring about the registration of all the clinics. It would control unethical ART practices. It would improve the quality of ART services. It would facilitate framing of requisite policies as we would have been having all data, and most importantly, the needy couples would have showed the ethical practice. Sir, Section 8 of the bill deals with the powers and functions of the State Surrogacy Board. Section 8 states that the State Board shall have the responsibility to follow the policies and plans laid down by the National Board for Clinics and Banks in the state. If the state boards are followed the policies and plans laid by the National Board, the government can open their branch in each state instead of setting up State Surrogacy Board. Such provision in the bill is an affront of our federal society. I urge the Honourable Minister to look into this aspect and make certain state bodies autonomous. There are only few IVF clinics in government sector, in private sector, and the number of IVF clinics are more in number. I urge the government to set up IVF clinics all the district hospitals. Then only the object of the bill will be achieved. Sir, the Surrogacy Bill 2020 deals with one of the recognized assisted reproductive technology bill 2021. This bill totally prohibits commercial surrogacy and endorses only altruistic surrogacy. The bill also has taken care of the aspect of the age when an infertility couple could opt for assisted reproductive technology. It protects the surrogate mother from exploitation. Sir, 5-year duration after the marriage has been prescribed when one has to opt for a surrogacy. This is not correct, particularly in those cases where some congenital defects or serious medical disorders are present. The WHO criteria for infertility is 1 year unprotected intercourse only, and it says the infertility treatment could be started right away. Why the same could be applied to the surrogacy program? The 5 years wait clause has no meaning in some cases. Finally, the bill, while regulating surrogacy and surrogacy procedure, no person, Section 4, no person other than close relative of the intending couple shall act as a surrogate mother and be permitted to undergo surrogacy procedures as per the provisions of the Act.
Please go back to your seats. Don't talk like this.
There is no mention about this in the definition clause of the
Nothing
bill.
is going on record.
There are many.
This is undemocratic behavior. This is completely undemocratic.
But there is no I urge the government should bring an amendment to resolve this issue. With these suggestions, I support the bill. Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you. Lieutenant General Dr. D.P. Vats, retired.
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman, for giving me the opportunity